What is up? It is LC and welcome back to my channel. Today we have got some more Paris Hilton Cosmetics up in this house. Yes, I have done 2 other videos on her brand or her makeup. If you want to check those out, they will be linked down below and probably somewhere up here. They'll be there, you know, if you want to see them. I have a whole bunch of stuff though today, so I don't know for sure if we're going to be able to get through all of it in this video. I might have to split it up into 2 parts, but we'll figure it out as we go. So first off, I do want to say that I am going to do this video the new way I have been wanting to do my reviews, and I think my last couple videos I did it this way, where I'm going to save all my final thoughts and opinions for the end of the video for anybody who's interested, and save all the good stuff for the beginning. So all of these things are from my local Marshalls. I know that the other stuff I found was TJ Maxx. You can always find her stuff like at one of those places, and it's always going to be really affordable. Like my last videos as well, there's really not a whole lot of information out there on her brand, so I'll give you what I can, and that's gonna have to do it. So the first 2 things I have are some brush sets. Oh yes. We have one that is a rose stemmed style brush, which reminds me a lot of the Storybook Cosmetics, where they came out with those really fancy brush rose things. And then we have a basic blending trio. First of all, they call it the blending brush trio, but one of them's a fan brush, so I don't, okay. Another one's a Kabuki brush, which I guess you can use that for blending, but what? Alright, so on first inspection of these brushes, they are very, very soft. By the way, they are all synthetic bristles. Just from looking at it, you can see certain hairs are kind of just poking out. They're not all nice and even. These rose ones feel really, really nice as well. They almost feel a little bit softer than the other ones. The actual handle is very cheap. It's cheap, it's very plasticky and very light. It's not the greatest quality in the world, but they are really cute. They're really nice and soft, and I'm just, hey, it's what do you expect for $6.99 and $9.99? What? Come on. Then we have the Nude Eye Pack. So it's got 3 eyeshadows, a mascara, an eye cream pencil. 3 eye cream pencils. And then the 4th and final one, which is the one that we are definitely doing today, is the Paris Hilton Contour Bundle. Now, I know on my channel I had done a Paris Hilton contouring thing before, but this one is different. It's definitely different, came with different things, and I really just, I want to do it. I want to look like Paris Hilton. Can you blame me? I don't know what you want from me. So this is what it looks like. You've got your contour trio up here, a little brush, and then we've got a blush, highlighter, and bronzer. This, I'm a little confused. These are just pans. Paris, what am I supposed to do with that? What? So we're just supposed to have an empty Z palette or something that these can just fit into? Or are we supposed to just keep it in this thing forever? I don't understand. All right, so let's move right into the contouring. The little brush that came with the contouring bundle, not the best. It's certainly not as good as these ones, but it's not terrible. We are gonna give it a try. And the one from the rose set, this one looks a little bit like I could use it for contouring. So we might try it out. We'll see how it goes. It's not cute. We're gonna go ahead and dip into this one. Quite a bit comes out on the brush. So I mean, yeah. Okay, there we go. It just needed to be built up a little bit because now you can see the difference. It looks nice. It's a nice shade. It works well. It's nice and cool toned, which for me, that is what I prefer just because of my skin tone. Now, for the other side, I would like to try out the rose brush. It does have quite a bit of kickback. Oh yeah, I think this brush worked much better. I think it just placed the color a lot nicer. This brush is so soft too. Oh my God. Look at that. That is blending out like a dream. Now, I don't know if that's the brush or the product, you know, because this brush feels so nice. so nice. It's not pulling at my foundation at all. It's just going so nice. Oh. All right, so the way that this is looking, you really wouldn't need to deepen this up that much. I'm going to, just so I can try out the little bit darker shade. I am going to use one of my brushes though. I really love this shaped brush for really just getting in there with the deeper colors. And all the other brushes are relatively big. I don't really want to do that, so let's just go ahead and, ooh. Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much, but as you can see, that deepened it quite a bit. And now it does look a little bit more warm toned than that first one. I did like that first one. That first one was really nice, but this one is just pulling really warm toned. All right, that looks really nice. I look really chiseled right now. Holy moly. Now what to do with this though? Where am I supposed to put this? Anyways, let's go ahead and move on to bronzer. That is our next one out of this bundle. This is the little compact that it comes in. Then that is what the bronzer looks like. Yeah, I would say it's in between a satin and a shimmer. I do think that it's gonna have some sort of lighting effect to it. Now I'm thinking we could either do this one that is the bronzer brush, or we could do the flower rose one, which kind of, I mean, they look pretty similar, so maybe we'll just give both a try. Oh no, that's actually kind of pretty. I don't know if you can see a difference, but I feel like I kind of can. Can I? I don't know. I do want to give the rose one a try as well. Like I said, it looks kind of the same. Anything? Anything? You let me know in the comments. Do you see a difference? Yeah, I don't know, maybe? Anyways, I guess the next one that we need to use is the highlighter, and then we have the blush, and then we're done. That is what it looks like, and I personally think it looks really beautiful. It's almost got a pinky champagne type of vibe going on with it, and I love it. I can't resist it. If you like fan brushes, you'll probably like this one. I don't see why you wouldn't, but I'm not, nope. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe brush, dip into that, and let's give this a go. Ooh, oh my gosh. Do you see that? This is a really beautiful highlight. It's definitely more of like an everyday type of highlight. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. She needs to make this bigger and sell it as singles. 100%. This thing is beautiful. All right, so I really like how this is looking. I think what I'm gonna do is let's just jump into final thoughts. So first we have the brushes, and these, I really, really like these. I think that they worked really well. They're super soft. They worked well with the makeup. They placed the products and blended them out, and just everything looked really good. I really like how my face makeup is looking. I do have to say though that depending on what kind of brushes you like, if you like fan brushes, then you might like this trio better. If you don't really care about fan brushes, then I would try out this one, just because either way, you're gonna use all the brushes that it comes with. But if you're not a fan brush person, then of course, like me, like you're not gonna use that fan brush, so you might wanna just go with this one. Now on to the contouring bundle. First of all, this packaging, you already know how I feel about it. You've got to make something that's going to be easy for your consumer, and I just don't see how this is easy. You're just banking on the fact that somebody has an empty palette to put them in. That's a little strange. But other than that though, I did really like these. I know I didn't get a chance to use this highlighting one. I just kind of forgot because I don't usually. These two I really did like. Even though this pulled a little warm on me, it did come out really nice. I look so chiseled, like jeez. Moving on, let's talk about these guys. The bronzer I really, really liked. I think, is it just me or did we not see a huge difference? Did it blend out my contour a little bit? Like, did it help with that? Yes, but I'm just not sure if I did. On my forehead I could see it. I don't know. I'm gonna say I like it though, because I like how my face looked after I did it, so The highlighter, again, it's not gonna work for everybody, but it is a beautiful highlighter. I think that it creates a really stunning glow. It's gonna give you that natural glowy from within type of shade, but I like it. This is probably my favorite thing out of the whole bundle. Like this, I am gonna be reaching for 100%. The blush, I liked it, but it's a pretty standard basic blush. There wasn't a whole lot of pigment, so if you're somebody that likes a really intense blush, you might not like it. It's just, it doesn't have a whole lot of pigment, but it is nice. And yeah, I guess that's it. I know that I also had the eye bundle, and I will do a video on this. I just feel like we didn't really have time today. I didn't want to make this video like 25 minutes long. So we definitely will get to that again. You'll see it soon, don't worry. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that bell to turn on notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, I guess that is it. Until next time, guys, stay flawless.